Hi guys, it's Miss Sarah at the Peter White Public Library, and I am here to sing some construction songs with you and do some construction finger plays and just have a lot of fun with everything construction. Now, you can listen to these songs at any time, but if you have your construction tiny tot sensory bin for take and play, you could always turn it on and be playing with your construction stuff while we are singing the songs, okay? So that's why I have this in front of me. You can see I have some construction vehicles and I have digging tools, all lots of really fun stuff. We did an unboxing video already, so if you haven't watched that, you can go watch that one too. So, all of the finger plays and songs that I'll be doing, you can see in the comments of this video where they came from, okay? Are you guys ready to sing some songs with me? We're going to start this video with a hello song, just so we get used to singing and moving our hands around. This one's called Wake Up Toes. Can you find your toes and wiggle them? Mine are down on the floor. I'll get one up just enough. There we go. There are my shoes. Here we go. We're going to wiggle our toes. Wake up toes, wake up toes, wake up toes, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up toes, wake up toes, wake up and wiggle in the morning. What else can we wake up and wiggle as we get ready to play? We need our fingers. Wake up fingers, wake up fingers, wake up fingers and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up fingers, wake up fingers, wake up and wiggle in the morning. What else can we wake up? How about our noses? Wake up nose, wake up nose, wake up nose and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up nose, wake up nose, wake up and wiggle in the morning. And how about our arms? Wake up arms, wake up arms, wake up arms and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up arms, wake up arms, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job, guys. Okay, now that we're all woken up, we are going to do a finger play called cranes, or this is actually a body play, so you can stand up if you want. If I stand up, you won't be able to see me in the camera, but you guys can stand up and we're going to be cranes. Does anybody have a crane in their toys? This one's kind of a crane, not quite. Cranes are really tall. Here we go, cranes. Cranes reach up, cranes reach down, cranes reach out and all around. One more time. Cranes reach up, cranes reach down, cranes reach out and all around. Okay, our next one is a finger play called 5 Little Nails. Now I'm going to use my shovel from my sensory bin to do this one. We're going to pretend that this is a hammer, okay? And then I'm going to have 5 fingers. Can you help me count our fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are our 5 little nails, okay? Here we go. 5 little nails standing straight and steady. Here I come with my hammer ready. Bam, 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 that nail goes down. Now there's just 4 nails to pound. 4 little nails standing straight and steady. Here I come with my hammer ready. Bam, 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 that nail goes down. Now there's just 3 nails to pound. 3 little nails standing straight and steady. Here I come with my hammer ready. Bam, 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 that nail goes down. Now there's just 2 nails to pound. 2 little nails standing straight and steady. Here I come with my hammer ready. Bam, 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 that nail goes down. Now there's just one nail to pound. One little nail standing straight and steady. Here I come with my hammer ready. Bam, 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 that nail goes down. Now there's no little nails to pound. Good job, guys. Great job. All right. Our next song is one you're going to know. This one is the wheels on the truck. All right. Can you show me your wheels? We're going to go like this, like we do for wheels on the bus. Here we go. The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all through the construction site. The wipers on the truck go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the truck go swish, 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 all through the construction site. The doors on the truck go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the truck go open and shut, all through the construction site. The scoop on the truck goes chomp, 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 chomp. The scoop on the truck goes chomp, 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 all through the construction site. Good job, guys. Okay, our next one is called Where Are Trucks? Here we go. Where is pickup truck? Where is pickup truck? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Drive away, drive away. Where is front loader? Where is front loader? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Drive away, drive away. Where is dump truck? Where is dump truck? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Drive away, drive away. You guys could do that with as many trucks as you have. That song can keep on going. All right. How about being a garbage truck? Can we be a garbage truck? We can be garbage trucks. We're going to still do our wheels on the bus motion, okay? Like this. The garbage truck rolls down the street, down the street, down the street. The garbage truck rolls down the street, picking up the garbage. The garbage truck stops and goes, stops and goes, stops and goes. The garbage truck stops and goes, picking up the garbage. The garbage truck goes smash, 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 smash. The garbage truck goes smash, 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 picking up the garbage. Good job, guys. You could think of other things to go with that song, too. Okay, our next one is called I'm a Windshield Wiper. So we're going to be windshield wipers like your mommy and daddy have on their cars, okay? Going to put our arms up like this. Here we go. I'm a windshield wiper. This is how I go. Back and forth in the rain and snow. Let's try that again, and we're going to move just one arm. I'm a windshield wiper. This is how I go. Back and forth in the rain and snow. Can we do it with both arms again? I'm a windshield wiper. This is how I go. Back and forth in the rain and snow. Good job, guys. Okay, I have one more for us. It's called Zoom Down the Highway. I'm going to get one of my trucks. I'm going to move this out of the way so I don't make a mess. Here we go. This is going to be our truck zooming down the highway. Here we go. Zoom down the highway, zoom down the highway, zoom down the highway fast. Up goes the drawbridge, up goes the drawbridge, up goes the drawbridge, a ship is going past. Down goes the drawbridge, down goes the drawbridge, down goes the drawbridge, the ship has passed at last. Zoom down the highway, zoom down the highway, zoom down the highway fast. Good job, guys. Well, I hope you have enjoyed listening to these songs. We're going to do Actually, I'm going to tell you about some of these books because you know what? I work at the library. I'm a librarian and I love stories and I love construction stories. So if you want some construction stories to read with your grown-ups, I have some all back here. You can see these construction books and I've got more over here. And guess what? I have even more construction books. I have so many construction books for you guys to choose from. You can have your grown-ups call us and we can help them find some. Or you can use the form that you're going to find below this video in the comments or in the video description and fill out a family pack and tell us you want construction vehicle books and we'll get a whole bunch of construction books for you. Okay? All right. Thank you for joining me. We're going to do a goodbye song now, okay? If you enjoyed listening to these songs, you can play the video over and listen to them again. Here we go. Up, down, hug I found, touch the sky and touch the ground. Pat your belly, find your eyes, blow a kiss and say goodbye. Up, down, hug I found, touch the sky, touch the ground. Can you sing it with me one more time? Up, down, hug I found, touch the sky, touch the ground. Pat your belly, find your eyes, blow a kiss, say goodbye. Up, down, hug I found, touch the sky, touch the ground. Good job, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having fun playing. If you like these songs and want to listen to them again, go ahead and start the video over. Bye.